My father told me, beta, Shiro is no good. And I was, you feel that it will happen, this will happen, and this got happen. Yeah, that happened to me when I was kid. I feel so, I don't know why. It's 8 or 10th year girl. I was thought I gonna miss someone, I gonna miss someone, but I never focus on that because I was kid. I love to play and doing lot of things, so I just ignore that thought. And it was a time when it's 1 or 2 months ago of Navratri, I was feeling that feeling, and this was so strong when it's Navratri came. It's the first day of Navratri, and I was feeling, yeah, it's Navratri. But after some times, when it's like 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. to, you can say, 11 a.m., when it's time for Navratri Pujan, and suddenly before I go into Navratri Pujan, I just Shiro, my pet, he was he was street dog. I adopt him, and I feel him. Wow, Shiro, I love you so much. I just love him. I cuddle him like that. I do a lot of things. But sudden my thought was so strong that I gonna miss Shiro. I don't know why this happened. Even I don't focus on that thing. But when I don't know why I believe that thought, and I don't focus, but I believe that I cuddle him. I just giving my all love. I play with him. I did lot of things. That then I go for Navratri Pujan. Guess what? When I back from Navratri Pujan, my father told me, beta, Shiro is no good. And I was to fucking why this has happened to me? Like, I love someone and they left me. Why? It's not necessary. Why, God? Why do this? I was so frustrated, so traumatized, and I just started giving my memory have just lot of pressure on that. And I had just remember that there are a lot of flashback in my mind, and sudden after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day after, I feel like, yeah, that was intuition. It means I got intuition before Shiro died, before 1 or 2 months 1 or 2 months ago, and that was intuition. And from that day to nowadays, I believe in intuition, I believe in the universe, I believe in manifestation. And here now I got that this was intuition, this was thought, and just I never ignore that thought. Even I just focus on little thought. So yeah, that's how it was. And you know what I'd say about Shiro, he was so kind. You know what, he was not naughty. I love him because I'm a kind of very silent person, and he was same. Like, he always not do something like he just achieving something begar thing. I love him, yeah. Like, I mean, when now it's like after many years, I am now 21, and I feel like when I was kid, I love him and I never forget him. He was, मेरे दिल के कोने में है शीरो. I really love a lot him. That's how it was. You know what? Sometimes memories are best ever thing that never left you. I got that memory from him. Miss you so much, Zero. तुम जहाँ भी हो खुश रहो. I never wanna say that. Please, love you. Please, always be happy. Not never. I will say that. Please take my love and never miss me. I love you a lot. Please, bye.